she came back to New York. This time, she knows the city. Day 2 begins. Part 2 of New York. Today, 5 new words: bridge, borough, bagel, taxi. Stay and learn. Day 2 in New York. Yesterday was amazing, but today I see the real New York. The Brooklyn Bridge! I can see it from here. I am going to walk across it. Is it that obvious?
You got the look. Everyone gets that look the first time. Go on, you are gonna love it.
I am on the Brooklyn Bridge. Walking on it. The most famous bridge in America. The cables. They go up so high, like a giant spider web made of steel. Look behind me, the whole city, all of Manhattan, from the bridge. I understand now why everyone walks this bridge. This tower is made of stone, not metal. Stone. 143 years old. Best selfie location in New York. Brooklyn Bridge. Manhattan behind me. Perfect. I am in Brooklyn now. And from here, look at that Manhattan view. These houses are so beautiful. Brownstones. Everyone different. Everyone perfect.
Yo! You lost? You look lost.
I am from London. I am exploring Brooklyn.
London! Welcome to Brooklyn, baby. Best borough in New York. Actually, best place on earth. You see this? This is a bodega. Open 24 hours. You can buy anything in a bodega.
What is a bodega?
A small store. Sells food, drinks, newspapers. Brooklyn runs on bodegas. This is a New York bagel. The best food in the world. Try it.
It is so round, and the cream cheese is so...
In New York, we do not be shy with the cream cheese. Never be shy. You need a cab, sweetheart? Where you going?
I want to see all of New York. Can you show me?
All of New York? Just got the right driver. Get in. Tony knows everything. I'm Tony, 62 years old. Why would I leave? Brooklyn has everything.
You were born here? Lived here your whole life?
My father drove a taxi, I drive a taxi. My son's a lawyer. Some things change. You see that? Manhattan. 8 million people.
8 million people? How do they all fit?
They go up, honey. That is why we have skyscrapers, so we go up. Pizza. Now listen, New York pizza is the best pizza in the world.
Some people say Italy.
Wrong! Sorry, Italy, wrong. But pizza comes from Italy, and we improved it. Fold it. In the middle. Hold the crust. Now walk. You are a New Yorker now.
The cheese is so stretchy.
Ha! I knew it! I knew it! Wall Street! This is where the money is, honey.
The bull statue. I have seen it in photos. Can I touch it?
Touch the horns, for good luck.
Every tourist touches the horn. The bull is so big. And his horns are shiny from everyone touching them.
My grandfather, he came to New York with nothing.
$30. That is not much money.
Nothing, but New York gives everyone a chance. That is what this city is, a chance. Welcome to Chinatown, sweetheart.
The lanterns, the Chinese signs. I feel like I am in another country.
New York is every country, honey. That is the whole point. You come back to New York, you call Tony.
Tony, you are the best taxi driver in New York.
In the world, honey, in the world. Forget about it.
Chinatown's like a different world. The food, the signs, the smells.
Hello, come in, come in.
Dim sum. I've heard. I've never tried it.
Oh, today is a special day for you. Sit, Mrs. Chen will take care of everything. This one, har gao.
Shrimp dumpling. Very delicate.
The skill is in the folding 100 folds in 1 hour.
The wrapper is so soft.
Good?
Mrs. Chen, this is the most delicious thing I have eaten in New York.
Dim sum means touch the heart. Every dish made with love.
Made by hand. Touch the heart. That is a beautiful meaning for food.
I came to New York 40 years ago, from Guangdong, China.
And you built this restaurant from those recipes?
Same recipes? New York gave me a home.
My fortune says adventure is waiting around every corner.
In New York, always true. Around every corner in...
Red lanterns. Like in Hoi An. Different culture, same beautiful lanterns.
You come back. I make you my special Shanghai soup dumplings next time.
Shanghai soup dumplings! Yes! Yes! I will definitely come back, Mrs. Chen. Inside Central Park, you cannot see the city, only trees and sky. But the city is all around you. I am going in circles. The left oar. I need more left oar. The bridge reflection in the water, like a perfect circle. I want to stay here forever. The ducks are not scared of me at all. They come right to my end. Imagine, just one word. But everyone in the world knows this word from this song. A Central Park hot dog, the most New York thing I can eat right now.
Mustard, ketchup, or both?
Both, always both. When in New York. In this park, you forget the city. But the city never forgets the park. It watches from all sides. The park from above at sunset. Green in the middle, gold city all around. New York is so beautiful. The New York subway at night. Going to Times Square, the most vivid place in the world at night. The most vivid place in the world at night. It is brighter than the sun. How is it night? This is brighter than day. Yellow taxis, pretzels, street performers, all at the same time. Only New York. I heart New York. Yes, that is exactly how I feel.
Hey, Brooklyn Bridge girl!
Jake! I walked the bridge, rode a taxi, had dim sum.
That is a perfect New York day right there.
New York at night. Every window is someone's story. 8 million stories, all in one city. Let us review today's New York words. Repeat after me. Ready? Ready? Let us go. Ready? Let us go. Bridge. A bridge goes over water or a road. Brooklyn Bridge is a famous bridge. Bridge. Say it. Bridge.
Borough. New York has 5 boroughs. Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island. 5 boroughs. Borough.
Bagel. A bagel is a round bread with a hole in the middle. A New York bagel is the best in the world. Say it. Bagel. Bagel. Skyline. The skyline is the shape of a city against the sky. New York has the most famous skyline in the world. Skyline! Neighborhood. A neighborhood is a small area inside a city. Brooklyn is a neighborhood. Chinatown is a neighborhood. 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 New York's special phrase, "Fugga it." It means, forget about it. Only in New York, fugget about it. Say it with me. Fug about it. And the most useful New York phrase, only in New York. When something amazing happens, say this. Only in New York. Say it. Only in New York. Today's New York words, bridge, borough, neighborhood. 5 words, neighborhood, plus forget about it. You are a real New Yorker now. Goodbye, New York, Brooklyn Bridge, Tony's Taxi, Mrs. Chen's Dumplings, Central Park, Times Square. Did you watch part 1 and part 2? Tell me in the comments, which day in New York was your favorite? Thank you for traveling to New York with me, part 1 and part 2. You are amazing. See you in the next travel video. And remember, forget about it.